What's up, David Midlife Crisis? Intro to this video is me over at Orlando Kart Club 2 weeks ago for a Thunder Saturday. It's at Southern Nissan. Really cool event. It's one of the first events I did a YouTube video from. One of my first places I started posting from Instagram. Also wanted to say thanks to everybody for following me with the Caprice. So I got some bad news though. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to fix it or repair it. I'm not going to try to put any more work or time into it. It's going to be too much money, too much time. I don't have either one of those. I'm trying to work on other things, personal development of my life, personal possible career changes, maybe we'll see. So, it's not going to work out. I'm not going to be able to keep working on that car and doing anything else with it. So, thanks to everybody who supported me through the Caprice journey, people who sold me parts, the car meets I went to were people who appreciated the car because of what it was. I appreciate it. So please check this video out. Please like, please subscribe. What's up, David Midlife Crisis, coming at you with another video here at Southern Nissan for Thunder Saturday, hosted by Orlando Kart Club. Please like, please subscribe. So as you saw here, they're basically doing rev battle. One of my first YouTube videos is from here doing rev battle. So it's a bunch of cars out here. Got a, looks like some type of ZR1 style Camaro, or I'm sorry, Corvette. Got a Camaro, got a BMW M3, a real Z1, 5 liter. Okay. Got this Mustang going and getting ready for the rev battle. Check out the Civic, check out the RSX, check out a couple other 5 liter Mustangs. So you saw that black Mustang was basically popping and cracking. It was pretty sweet. Check out the black C8, that's really nice. This red eye was in the rev battle earlier. Really nice car. So he's next to another Hellcat Challenger. Got a Tesla. So here's another 400Z. I looked there earlier inside the showroom. You can see the picture at the end of the video. But yeah, they have one of these inside the showroom over here at Southern Nissan. $90,000 is the sticker on this. It was 89 and some change, but it's $90,000. Listen to that shit. Alright, so rev battle is going good so far. Check out my buddy Nick's Levante. That thing is so sweet. Maybe one day he'll let me drive it. We'll see. So I've seen this Corvette before, 200-mile-per-hour club. This car's gone 200 miles an hour. This is Fueled by Passions, classic 911 right here. So go over here. It looks like I got a wide body BMW. We got the slim airbag Porsche 911 right over here. So got that interior, that suit, really nice. Over here, I got a couple Miatas. Never know. You never know. Might see me in a Miata. So, check out this B2200 truck. Oh, I like this. And it's turbocharged. Ooh. Oh, it's a Toyota. It's a super motor. They put a super motor in this. God damn. Oh, that is sick. Over here, got a couple of Subis. There's a red one. Jesus. More Subis. Subis always represent. Alright, so here we got another wide body Hellcat Challenger, another 911. Got a Mercedes with a questionable wing. So that's it for the video. Alright, so that's going to be it for the YouTube video. I'm actually letting you guys know it's going to be a little while before I do another one. It probably won't be till I get the new car and reveal it. So I'm working on it. I've been working a lot of extra hours. It's been hard to post YouTube videos and post on Instagram. I'm still getting it done though. So like I said, it'll be a little bit, but once it happens, you'll see the new car. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe.